Hello guys. This is Kachaw again. Let's see. So we have learned yesterday that the cards you can farm or you can get using from these treasure hunter cards, the War Mind, Bulwark, Treasure Hunter, and also which one is that? This one, the Purgatory has limit. So we are going to find out today how what is the limit. So we will use this account Rab to reinforce, and we already have 5 reinforcing that account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 including me. Everyone here has an has a bulwark card equipped. This one, though one has only blue one, the one. So he will only get one card per hit, while the rest will get 2 cards per hit. And also, the owner or the one we reinforce won't get any card. So Rob won't get any card. Only us 5, the one who is reinforcing Aiko, RG, me, KK, and Gwen. So let's start. Wait. I'll just use my card so we can. I'll just have one. Okay. Let's go. Pag maingay anak. So as you can see, each attack I gain 2 cards. So that's 3. Then this will be 6. So this is the fastest way to farm the cards. All you have to do is have a small account and have someone to reinforce. So you can reinforce them and then win the defense battle by reinforcing your ally. So this is the cards I get now. So that's 18, I think. 18. 2 times 9. So let's add more. So nothing to plunder anymore. So that's 18 plus 1, I think. Yes, that's 20. 20 is the limit. So wait. Let's see what's Aiko saying. Uh, RJ said that he got 1 card for each hit. How so you have 12 cards now, right? Ten lang. Already have 20 cards and it is the limit. I'll attack more. So you will reach the limit of 20. I'm at my limit now. Why 10 hits? Why 10 hits? I already did 12. So this is RJ's loot. Just one card per each per attack. Oh shit! Full again. Been waiting for that. Yes. So I already did 12. So this is 15. So 2 more sets after this. Then this is 18. Ah, shit, I ran out of. It's 18, right? No. 21. Okay. That's it. 10 lang my reward. Yes. 10 hits with rewards because you are using the purple one, which gives 2 card per hit, meaning you can only get 20 cards in total, no matter how many hits. You done 20?
Dati, di ba nandito po dati sa Spider-Man po? Nandito ako.
20 is the limit. So now, as you can see, I have nothing to plunder anymore. I only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's total of 20 cards. So now I will hit Iskadoosh. I will change my cards. Then hit Iskadoosh. Okay. And so we can see what's that? Receive 1 art to your card box after 3 consecutive hits. So let's use this one. The Warmind Treasure Hunter. So okay, that's enough. Oh no! This Kaddish will have zero. Zero troops. Okay, that's 3. As you can see, I didn't get any cards. So, now the limit is, and then here, nothing to plunder. That's for the card. Uh,
Ito po lahat na pinili.
wait lang anak. So, now, we finally figure out the limit for the the treasure hunter cards. The limit is 20 cards per day. So, the best card for this treasure hunter cards is still Bulwark. Though there is a condition, you need to have a small account, which is this one. I have this. That's mine. And then you also need to have an ally to reinforce. This one. I use Rob's account. She said she doesn't have the Bulwark card, so we reinforced her. Wait lang anak.
Dito ko po
No, no, no. So, while using this, we can gain, we can farm the cards and reach the limit as fast as we can. It only took a few seconds or a few minutes, just 2 or 3 minutes, I think. So, uh, purple one, purple one will give you 2 cards, so that's a lot faster than the blue one. Then the second best for me is this Warmind, the one I equipped a while ago. So why? This will consume less stamina from your account. Only 3 attacks. Then you attack 3 times. Then go home. Then a card will pop up here. The loot will be here, and then the card will pop up here. So since I reached the limit, I won't cards anymore. Then you go back again to attack. Then 3 attacks consecutive. Then go back again. Return your squad to your base. Oh no. Wait lang anak. So this is the second best for me. The the third one is this one. So you can gain 4 cards for this card by attacking or killing monsters or zombies 11 times. So the 11th zombie or monster that you killed, 4 cards will be added on the uh, loot icon here. There will be a card over here after killing a monster. After killing the 11th monster or zombie. So it only depends on what card do you use. Is it purple one? You will get a 4 card. If you are using blue one, you will only get 2 cards. So this will consume how many attacks? So 11, then 11 monsters. So for a small zombie, that's 110 stamina. And then since 20 is the limit, so times 10. So 1100 stamina to hit the limit using this. But for this, you'll only need 550 stamina. But that is for killing small zombies only. If you are going to kill Doom Elites, that consumes 20 stamina. See? 20 stamina. So for small zombies, you only need to use 10 stamina. So that's why it's the third best. Actually, it's not the best anymore. Then the last one is this one. So you will get one R tier card packs after collecting 1,000 resources in a single gathering. So the best here is Wait, is it? Ah, yes, yes, yes. So the best way to use it is set up uh, set up the notification on your phone or on in your game to notify you gathered after you finish gathering the resources. So the best resources to gather is level 3 iron or level 3 food. So why? Because it only have 108. Then you gather it, leave your squad there, and let it finish. After it's done, it will notify on your phone. You log in again, and then you go back gathering a level 3 food or iron resources. So why not gold? Gold has 64k only. And then you'll need level 5 gold for the yeah, yes, level 5 gold to reach 100k or more. Then the time you need to gather the look at mine. It's 3 hours and 7 minutes. Even if I use illuminate, it's still 2 hours and 22 minutes. But for level 3 iron, I only need 1 and 58 minutes without the electrician, and then if I use the electrician, it's 1.5 hour only. So that's way faster. So, but still, that's only one card per gather. So that's only one card per gather here. Only one card per gather. So you have three squads. You won't be able to use any squads if you do that, or if you use two two squads to gather your second or your third. So you can use your main squad for rally or helping your allies or doing some events. You will take so two cards, 1.5 hour times 10. And then since most of us or most of us still doesn't maximize the garage 2 or 3. I already by the way I already maxed my garage 2. So its gathering is way faster than my third squad. Uh, it will take longer. Okay? So, two squads at a time. Then, so you will get one card each. Then, do it 10 times. So, that will take around 20 hours. And then and still, you need to sleep. But it also works at your radar task, the one you gather resources. It also works there. And then the Dumilite drops, it also works there. That's also fine. But the problem there is uh, if many allies will gather the resources there, I don't think you'll be able to gain 100 resources in one gather. So why it is important? The description says resources in the single gathering, meaning you need 100k in one go. You can't do 36. Then after that, your troops will go back, and then you'll gather another 36, and then another 36. No, that's not it. You need you need to gather 100k in one go. Meaning you have to finish this and then go home. Okay? You cannot gather this and go home, then gather again, then you'll have 100k in total. No, that's not it. You have to gather 100k in one go. So that's really time consuming. So I suggest you maximize this every day so you can gather or or you can gain a lot of cards to use for your upgrades, or so you'll have a lot of cards to choose from. So look at this. I'll use mine. You can get a purple one in here. Purple, blue, and uh, this one green. And even if you get the green ones, it's okay, or the blue ones, it's okay. You can still dismantle it, so you can gain this one, tactical fragment. You can gain the tactical fragment during Blood Knight or dismantling cards like this. 100 fragment for dismantling green one. Then for the blue one, it's I think 200. Yes, 200. For the purple one, 700. So it's still nice to get a lot of cards, so you will have a lot of choices. Or if you manage to get a really bad card, then still you can somehow land a good one. Ciao, after 20 attack. How many cards? For the 21 attacks. So that's how you can farm cards daily and have a better chance to, as a free to play actually. Yeah, I'm a free to play. I can buy any game packs to get stronger, so I need to do these things to get stronger. Too bad I didn't get any good cards today. Oh, so okay, that's about it. Shout out to OPC. Okay. Okay. So that's about it. Let me think if I will be tackling this one. So I only want to focus on this one, so I can gather a lot of cards to choose from, and then maybe land a good random stats. Okay, so that's it. Bye. Please like and follow, guys.